There's no run button. I've seen a lot of people use this button to quickly run their code. So if you're new to VS Code and you're dealing with the same thing, let me show you how to get it. And depending on what type of file you're working with, the method can be different. For example, with an HTML file, press Ctrl plus Shift plus P and search for browser, open integrated browser, and now the HTML page opens right here inside VS Code. This is useful because you can preview your web page without switching to another browser, but this isn't the same as running a Python file or other programming languages. For example, with Python, you normally run the file through the terminal using the appropriate interpreter. So even without that run button, you can still work with your code. I just wanted to explain that first because it can be helpful, especially if you're completely new to VS Code. Now let's get to the actual fix. The run button you're looking for can be added by an extension called Code Runner. So come over to the extensions icon on the left or press Ctrl plus Shift plus X. Now search for Code Runner. Make sure you're selecting the Code Runner extension from the official Visual Studio Code Marketplace listing by June Han. Click Install and let it finish. Once the installation is complete, go back to your code file, and now you should see the Run Code button in the editor title bar. That's the button we were missing. You can click it, or you can also use Code Runner shortcut Ctrl plus Alt plus N. When you run the file, Code Runner executes it using the configured language runtime or compiler, so the required environment for that language still needs to be installed and configured correctly. For example, if you're running Python, Python needs to be installed and available to VS Code, and that's basically it. So if your run button is missing in VS Code, you don't need to reinstall VS Code. For HTML, you can use the built-in integrated browser to preview your page, and for supported programming languages, Code Runner can add the convenient Run Code button, and that's it for this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.